Hey, good afternoon everyone. Today we are in Northeast San Antonio at this model home that is actually going on the market, and they're accepting bids on it. They're going to finish this garage out. Right now that is the sales center or the office, and you'll see that when we go through, but they are going to finish it out. It's going to be the garage. We'll head right in, and you're looking at 2,700 square feet. This is a live oak plan. Here is the office, which will be the garage. We have wood flooring here. Here is a fourth or fifth bedroom, we'll call it, towards the front. And you notice the very high ceilings all throughout the home. Double vanity right here for the secondary bath bedrooms that are down. So if you have somebody that needs extra elbow room, there's another bathroom really close to these bedrooms downstairs, so you don't have to worry about someone going up and down the stairs, because there is another bedroom upstairs. But there's a second bedroom that we're looking at here, or the fourth bedroom, whichever we want to call it. And you have a little mud room area here for the shoes, hat rack, and of course laundry area. Lots of cabinet space. Who loves cabinet space in a laundry area? I'm sure my wife would love some extra cabinet space. Like if you do. Now this is not the tile, but this is the wood. Okay, I know a lot of people wonder that, is that tile or is that wood? But this is the wood, and what I like about this is the spacing. It's really random. I've seen some builders actually do these in a pattern that is really you can predict what the pattern is going to be, and I don't like it. It doesn't look natural. This looks natural, the way they have it all randomized. Very professional job. So that's something I really like. So if you like that, give me a thumbs up here. Another half bath here. So you have two bathrooms in real close proximity downstairs where the bedrooms are, so people don't have to fight over it. Now this is the study. You could use this as an optional bedroom. It does have a closet. You'll see here, closet area. So you do have an option for making this a bedroom. And then right into my favorite area to live in is the kitchen. Huge kitchen island, beautiful granite countertops. I know my wife's gonna like this pattern. Let me know how you like this pattern. This is beautiful. My brother-in-law has this pattern. It's gorgeous, very clean. You have gas cooking here in the kitchen. Gas stove, it's GE appliances. Microwave, oven, 42-inch cabinets, and there's crown molding all throughout. Can lighting. You have a little desk area here, so you can keep an eye on whoever's not getting their homework done. Living room, fireplace, for those of you wondering, this is MI. Beautiful tray ceiling here, more crown molding all throughout. This is the master. High ceilings. Little nook off to the side here. You can look out to the backyard, onto the deck will go out there last. And now the best part's coming up, so try to contain yourself, but this has what I call the party shower. So you got a shower for him, and you got a shower for her, or just one big shower that you can run back and forth and waste a lot of water in, but it sure is fun looking. Huge double vanity, more of that gorgeous granite. Very nice granite. Very, very nice. Yeah, this bathroom comes with a toilet area, so you can section it off and your partner doesn't have to hear all your business. There is tile in this bathroom. And then a very generous walk-in closet. It just keeps going. Goes around the corner here. This is probably bigger than it looks to the camera, but it is huge. So it might be a challenge for some people to fill it up, but I'm sure some of you will be up to that challenge. We're going to head upstairs. Game area. Alright, and now we have what would we call maybe the family area, or game area, with another bedroom. So you could use this as maybe a guest bedroom upstairs, or if you have an alpha child, you can stick the alpha child up here so they can have their own kind of space. Now we'll check out the backyard. Covered patio here, concrete, and then it transitions into a wood deck. This is brick and stone all the way around. My favorite combinations. And you have, of course, since this is a model home, you have a complete landscape package in this home. Gutters all the way around, which is nice. Need that here. Now there's one other home just like this. That backs up to a green belt in the community, but other than that, these are the last couple available. This is out 1604 in Bulverde in the northeast side of town, and so this is kind of a last chance in this community. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message or comment. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. That way I know to keep doing videos just like this or similar to it. If you have a suggestion for one, let me know. If there's something you want to see that you've been wondering about, I'd be happy to pop over if it's on the northeast side of town and check it out for you. So you guys have a great rest of the Sunday, and I will see you on the next video.